Hi Daniel, I just want to take you through your options. Your parts list as it stands won't work. So the simplest way of creating hanging using decor is to stick to a 600 wide bay. They don't make the decor shelf in wider units than 600, so I'm going to show you how you would extend that to 700 if you really wanted to. So there is your best option for decor. That's going to come in at £220. If you want to extend across the whole 700, you're going to have to cut 2 lengths of shelf, and I think you can probably do the rail as a single length. But there's a lot more cutting involved, there's a lot more components involved, so that decor version comes in at £350. You could do a single waist height shelf, I think, but I'd need to check that. The simplest and cheapest option is to stick with Elfa Classic and stay within 600 millimeters wide. The other important difference is that the smallest Elfa decor vertical is, I think it's a 2.14 metre product, and if you go to Classic you've got one that's just over 2 metres. So again, you've got that height consideration there as a difference between the two product ranges. I think the best option is to work again with the Classic product range. You can create a 700mm wide span. You'll be cutting a 900 wide shelf and a 900 rail to size, and that is going to come in at just over £200. I may not have mentioned, but that one is 175, so really good value, but by spending a little bit more, another £25, and doing a little bit of cutting, you're going to get your full 700 span. So the other thing I wanted to say about the Elfa decor is it's been on the market for about 3 years. I haven't sold any of it. I don't think it's going to be a successful range. If I had to put money on it, I'd say it's going to be taken off the market in about 4 or 5 years. Classic has been on sale for 70 years. It's going to be there forever. I've sold hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of assemblies in Classic. It's a great product. It's going to be behind doors. You're just not going to see this marginal difference in finish, with the Classic being satin white and the decor being matte white. My honest opinion is that it would be a mistake to do such a small assembly behind doors in decor. Okay, I hope that's helpful. Bye bye.